Okay, so here's what's happening. My power vent wasn't turning on. There's an LED light right here. That's, I think, is it doing the heartbeat now? Yeah, it's green light. This is what it is. It's a 40-gallon, 6-year power vent up there with my tube. And so what happened was it wasn't turning on, and there's a little sensor under here that gets triggered. That is the flammable thing sensor, and it'll turn the heater off and it'll lock this out. And so the way to fix it is you turn off the power, you unplug it. So switch this off, switch that off, unplug it, and then you take this dial, you set it to vacation, and then you turn it all the way to hot, back to vacation 6 times. Give it 6 twists, and then that's all I did. And then it just sparked up, and then you just set it to whatever temperature you want normally, and it was good to go. So I don't know, might have gotten some spider webs on it or some dust or something, but it's working now. And so I don't need to call a plumber or a technician or anything. I'm back in business. Zero money other than sitting on the phone for 6 minutes.